Hello, everybody. Welcome back for your week 21 of bike safety. So, this week you are going to click on your warm up, which is going to be this or that, but a candy themed. So, that should be fun. After you do that, you are going to take a look at this bicycle safety video. It's kind of a cartoon, a little fun version. I couldn't find the video that we are doing in the classroom titled The Bicycle Zone, but it's the same kind of thing, a little humor, fun, talking about bicycle safety, but at the same time, remembering the rules and the laws and the things that we should be doing to keep ourselves safe. And then we're going to do this bicycling hazards worksheet. So you're going to find the 12 hazards that you see in this picture. They could be surface hazards. We're going to talk about surface hazards are things that are on the road that could cause you to have an accident on your bike. So that's on the surface of the road. So it could be some surface hazards. It could just be hazards in general that as a bicyclist you need to pay attention for. So see if you can find all 12. So you might want to stop and do that right now. And then when you found all 12, here are the answers. So you're going to go back through and see if you were able to find all 12 of the surface hazards. And then you're going to go back through and review the correct way to wear your helmet and practice your bike signals. Hopefully you've had some time since we were together last week to get out on your bike and practice some of that information that we worked on last week, especially those signals, stopping at the stop signs, making sure you're wearing your helmet, wearing it correctly. So if you have some time and you can get out there and ride your bike and practice those skills, go for it, right? Okay, well, next week we are going to wrap up our bicycle safety. So I look forward to seeing you then. Until then, have a great time today, and I hope you have a great week, and I will see you later. Bye.